You've invited a few friends over to watch the game today and would like to cook something amazing. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With Orange 5-Spice Chicken Wings. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken wings. Set your timer for 50 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's prepare the sauce. Chinese 5-Spice, a combination of the following spices: cinnamon, cloves, star anise, Szechuan peppercorn, and fennel seed. Keep in mind, a little goes a long way. Let's prepare the sweet potato home fries. Set your timer for 30 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Historians believe home fries originated in Belgium around 1680. Home fries became popular in American culture during the 18th and 19th centuries as a breakfast item alongside eggs and other items. Set your timer for 5 minutes, only 5 minutes in the oven this time. Those look really amazing. Let's get a portion on the plate with green onion. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, that's really good. The combination of fresh orange juice and Chinese 5-spice creates an incredible depth of flavor and the sweet umami flavor profile. You and your guests are really going to love these chicken wings. Let's have a bite of these sweet potato home fries. Really good. The sweet potatoes, bell peppers, onions, along with the spices creates a perfect accompaniment to the chicken wings. I'm gonna have a little bit more. That is amazing. Yes, the combination of orange 5-spice chicken wings and sweet potato home fries is a perfect game day recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipes can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a great game, and of course great food. Stay with us. Watch the next video.